Rags travel, we moving. Rags travel, we moving.
Every airport feels different. Some feel rushed, some feel stressful. But Faro Airport feels calm, almost like the beginning of a quiet adventure into the Algarve.
We ride, yeah. We rise, we fly.
For many travelers, this airport is a first step into Portugal's Algarve region. And honestly, it feels smaller and more relaxed than many major European airports. Airports are more than buildings. They are places where people begin new journeys, reunite with loved ones, or chase opportunities far away from home. And today, Faro Airport became part of my own travel story.
Yeah, yeah. Rags to rival, we moving. Rags to rival, we moving. From nothing to everywhere we go.
If you enjoy calm travel experiences like this, exploring airports, cities, and real-life journeys across different countries, make sure you subscribe to Rags 2 Travel and continue this journey with me. Take your time, relax, and enjoy the atmosphere of Faro Airport with me as we explore one of Portugal's gateways to the beautiful Algarve region. If this is your first time here, welcome to Rags 2 Travel. On this channel, we explore travel, culture, airports, cities, and real experiences from around the world. Now, let's continue the journey. Thanks for walking through Faro Airport with me. Until the next journey, keep exploring, keep learning, and never stop discovering the world around you.
Rags to rival, now you know. Rags to rival, we moving. Rags to rival, now you know. Rags to rival, now you know. Rags travel, we moving. From nothing to everywhere we go, go. New city, new story to show. Yeah, backlight dreams heavy, let's roll. Rags to travel, now you know. We rise, we fly, no limits, no fear. Stop on the passport, yeah, we From nothing to everywhere we go, go. New city, new story to show. Yeah. Back like dreams heavy, let's roll. Rags to travel, now you know. We rise, we fly, no limits, no fear. Stop on the passport, yeah, we